These umbrella diffusers are so common. I think everyone has seen them when you're taking a school photo, if it's individually, a class photo, they'll use an umbrella. This is because when you use just a flash on its own, the light is really strong and it does go everywhere. But because it's really strong, it doesn't give a good finish for the face. So by using an umbrella diffuser, it allows a large amount of space to evenly have the same amount of light shining on it. This is really important if you're trying to do a photo shoot, as it makes the difference so much. It's amazing what the difference it makes. If I had to compare this diffuser to the global diffuser, I would say that the umbrella one is a lot better, because I know that for my magazine especially, I want to be doing more portrait examples in my magazine, so that's going to be more useful.